Hello guys, I believe that I have got a very good response in my previous when I introduced myself. So let me take without taking much of your time. Let me come to the subject that how I'm going to teach you the English. Right. First of all, आप जब भी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं whenever you're speaking in English, try to use to maximize the usage of idioms and phrases. It's beautify your communication process. Communication is what? It's just simply a transmission of ideas, right? And we humans are blessed with this ability. So there are many ways to teach the English. Like for example, you need to use Latin terms, right? And there are many sentences like which are being used in at present, wherein certain words at one point of time is being used with a particular field, but now it has been different. For example, it's been players. Players are nowadays it's been associated with sports, but now it's been used with the BPO players, corporate players. So it is again been indulged in the economic stress, deficiencies, business depressions. These are some medical terms which has been coming into which has been used very much in the newspaper nowadays. If you go through that, and like good and poor show. So it will attract, as I said, it's like a magnetic force that pulls the people towards you, right? Financial favorable outcomes, right? That is what if you want to say someone that if you can invest the best of your efforts, you will get the favorable outcomes, which you can also term the success. आप मुझे देखिए कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, how I am manipulating, मैं कैसे manipulate कर रहा हूँ, how I am changing the words, right? There are phrases like cock and bull story. यार क्यों excuses दे रहे हो? Rather than saying please say it's a cock and bull story, right? And the second one, if I say dawn to the dusk, from morning till evening. Rather than using this, say dawn to the dusk. There's a milestone around your neck. That means there's a particular responsibility or a problem which you cannot escape from yourself, right? Somebody's been in a parrot fashion, so you can also say that why you are repeating so much this again and again. It's all over. Rather than it's all over, say Queen is dead. Tota Maina ki kahani khatam ho gayi. Right. So this is how you can use. You can use those phrases. You can use these terms which has been assimilated in the books. If you can, the kind of the books I used to read, and I already suggested you to read the books, right? Another one, as helpless as like a midget in a urinal. It's going to be a very in a funny way, whereas particularly for the boy in the context of the boys. And so please do not take in a wrong way when I talk to the females community, and the males going for a washroom. So whenever we are peeing, have you seen that white balls too, which prevent the bad odor, bad smell. So when we are peeing, they are helpless. They can't do anything, right? They cannot prevent you. They cannot prevent you from stopping you from peeing. So that is how the world is getting changed. Every time we used to say like the okay. Okay is what? Now I tell you, this word is used in 1853 in the Boston, and you see how this word has been manipulated. If I say you what is the definition of output, okay, sorry, it's called objection killed, but the correct word is all correct. Now you say it's all the spelling is wrong. No, this is again when the language evolution process has been moving, and still this word has been developed. And it is again a wrong spelling, and it's a Greek word, OLL KORRECT. You can check in the Google as well, right? So this is how which is called a word for the okay. So there are certain other कुछ terms हैं जैसे कि ergo, ispo facto, de facto. These are the terms. ये जो है like Sanskrit. Sanskrit क्या है? Sanskrit is the mother of the Hindi. In the same way, Latin words are the mother. Or the mother of English. That is how we are going to use. मैं यही करने वाला हूँ, मैं आप लोगों को इसी तरीके से इंग्लिश सिखाने वाला हूँ. So this is being my preliminary introduction video. Now this is the first video. This is how I am going to teach you. This is beautify your communication program, intensify, जो कि आपके जो communication ability है whether the written correspondence or the verbal, oral communication. So you will definitely find the signs of improvement, but not again in 3 minutes or 5 minutes. I'm not going to lie, I'm not going to deceive you. मैं कोई चीज़ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, नहीं होगा 2 महीने में. 2 महीने आप जस्ट मैं आपको लास्ट बता देता हूँ. आई एम टेलिंग यू वेरी फ्रैंकली, 1 hour complete LSRW, listening, speaking, writing, reading and writing. You can do for 1 hour. You can spend. You have to spend, and after 2 months, you will see the results. You will be gradually find the sign of improvements, but not like you become a versatile. Do not expect. Do not think it's going to be a miracle, right? As if now I've been closing out over here. आपके कुछ सजेशन है, आप कुछ जानना चाहते हैं, किस तरीके से आप पढ़ना चाहते हैं, सो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो. My number is 9811966378. I'm repeating 9811966378, and my mail ID is nitkum9@gmail.com. Again, I'm repeating nitkum9@gmail.com. For any query, you can please contact me on my all contact details. Thank you so much for giving me precious time. Have a nice day.